Come here. Get down to my level. Come down to my level. Camera's all crooked. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because this is kind of what I do. I fish, I ice fish, and I try to make raunchy videos. I'm here today with my nephew Micah.
Yeah.
Just me and him. We're going to try and catching some perch on a local lake. This probably won't be a long video, but hopefully we can catch a few, and we can finally get him his master angler perch, because he loves catching perch. Alright, let's get going. As you can see, I still have my extension on. I lost my Allen key and I just haven't switched it out yet. And at this point, we're going to get thick ice anyways pretty quick, so. Let's see how deep we are here, Micah.
Yep, I will.
Okay, so, perfect.
It's about...
We are just under 10 feet. And there's fish on the bottom.
Oh, really?
Let's drill a few more holes.
Yep.
Alright, well, I didn't hardly have holes done and he's already fishing. This kid is crazy about fishing. I might have something to do with that. I'm a bit of a bad example. Anyways, I'm going to get my rods and then I'll show you guys what I'm using. Alright, this is what I've been using to catch walleye. If you guys see my walleye video, you would have seen that jig right there. I'm going to switch it back out to, I'll show you what if I got him here somewhere. There we go.
Yep.
Alright, so, it's a small Acme tungsten. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. That's the BAMF. I believe that's what we were using for the crappie, but I'm not going to use that today. So I'll put that back in here. It's not even mine, actually. And I'll tie this on here and I'll show you what we bait it with. Alright, got her switched over. I'll show you guys what my 3 basic go-to perch baits are. This obviously is a favorite, Nate's baits. I use a gulp earthworm, and I'll just use a short bit of it. I won't even use a full one, maybe about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And then another one that usually does pretty good early season is that right there. That'll show up properly. It's just a Cabela's soft plastic. That's what I'm going to be starting off with. Whoop. I only need one. Actually, I'll give one to Micah too. But anyways, so all I do, poke it in through there like that. And it's got really good action in the water, especially when you put an underwater camera down, AquaView down, you can really see it. Alright, let's catch some fish. Alright, we made our move, and Micah's found a fish. Go just in front of him. Just tap, tap, tap. Watch your rod tip as well. Keep tapping. He's there. Come on. Once he's on, you set that hook.
Oh, he bit.
He's there. Sometimes you want to bring it up so you make him chase it.
Is he?
Oh, we'll go back down to him. There you go. Give her. Give her.
Got him!
Bring him up. Bring him up. There you go.
Nice one!
Come here.
Yo! That's my biggest perch ever!
Your biggest perch?
Yeah! That's my biggest
Here,
perch!
let's show the camera. Let's show the camera.
Oh!
Let's make sure we can actually see the screen. Or make sure we're actually focusing. Alright. There you go.
There's my perch!
Got Mike on a perch. This lake can be difficult this year. It's probably about 11.5.
Yeah, that's my biggest perch ever!
And that's what we're using. That's those Cabela's plastics on the Acme tungsten right there.
Nice fish!
Here, put your thumb in his mouth. Your thumb.
Oh, that's my... This is my...
Yeah, that's your thumb. There you
This
go.
one's got some teeth.
No, there's no teeth. See, look at that. Let's catch some more now.
Yeah!
Let's measure them real quick. I'll grab
Oh,
them.
yeah, we'll do that.
All right, so
10.5. Just 10 quarter. 10
10 and a half. Should we put them back or you want to keep them?
I want to keep them. I want to have a nice perch.
Okay, we'll grab that pail then. Yeah.
And the biggest perch I've ever caught in my life.
Really?
Yeah. I've been used to 7 and 5 inches, you know.
I need to carry a little scoop.
Huh?
I need to carry a little scoop.
Yeah, that's you do.
In case you guys are wondering why I'm putting water in a bucket, I gotta try and get some nice pictures yet with the fish and keep it fresh. I don't want to take the pictures right now because there's more fish down here. Get your hook, Micah, come on.
Oh, there it is. Let's get down there.
Also, clean the ice out of the hole, please.
Yeah.
Scoop right there.
Huh? This is fastest scoop.
Oh, I think we found them.
Yeah, we did.
Give her. Oh, you missed them. See, Micah? You gotta not just start reeling, you gotta set the hook. Where's your hook?
Oh! Ooh, my hands are starting to get kind of raw. That's
Well,
what
put your gloves on.
I won't be able to feel them as good.
Sure you will.
Oh, there's a fish. Come on, bite it! Got one!
Bring him up.
Got one! This one was all by myself! I got it right by myself.
Yeah, there you go.
I got one by myself. That camera's still going.
Yeah, it is still going.
Hey, yikes.
This video is all about you. See, look at that. Another fish for Micah. You want to show the camera?
Ouch.
Oh, you got to grab him by the mouth. Come on. Otherwise they'll poke you. There you go. Go show the camera.
That slippery thing.
You're pretty close. But look at that. That's Micah's second fish of the day.
Yep. Nice fish. See how big he is.
About the same size.
Yeah. It's exactly 10, a little bit smaller. Let's see if I can make another one. Clay Chicks Outdoors. You know,
Play Chick Outdoors?
yeah.
What about him?
Well, oh, I can't quite remember now. Oh, his things are so funny. Most of his things.
You like Clayton Schick?
Oh, like one time he caught a very small perch about 12 inches, and he says he wasn't even gonna take his mitts off to get him, to take the hook off. But
Did you say a very small perch, only 12 inches?
I mean, very small walleye. He said, "Oh, I'm not even gonna get my mitts off."
Yeah, I like Clayton too. I
Yeah.
hope I can fish with him one day. That would be cool.
Yeah. I better not catch a jack because then I gotta pull a producer out.
Producer?
No, not the.
The transducer.
Yeah, there's a fish. There's a fish. Way up on the top.
Alright, what kind of depth do we have here?
It's about 6 feet.
No, I mean
Ice.
ice thickness. We got 21 and a half. That's 6 feet. You're nuts.
Of water.
You better fish.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Oh, there's one.
Oh, and I missed him. What are you laughing at?
Uncle Darren, the famous fisherman, is missing them in the little.
I have to get one fish today at least.
Come on, bite the hook. Ah, I didn't get.
So how come you're just dragging your fish around with you? Think I'm gonna steal them on you?
I want them to get mixed up just in case you catch fish.
We'll throw mine in there too.
Come on, babe. Got him!
Bring them up.
Just a little better. Oh, that's a smaller one.
There you go.
That's another good night inter.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, you gotta show the camera?
Yeah! Third fish of the day! See if,
Careful, you're gonna get the camera all wet.
see if he, third. There you go. That's this lake for you. Plastics, orange plastics. Got 3 of them. This is an awesome day. He felt a lot lighter.
This is an awesome day, isn't it?
For me.
For you.
Not for
Rub
me.
it in, why don't you?
Got one!
And I missed one.
Oh!
Get him!
Oh, for Pete's sake. Oh, I had to get my hand all wet. It wasn't too big, the biggest of one, those laced. Got one!
Bring him up. You're reeling against your drag, but whatever.
Oh, that's a nice one!
You got a pike.
No, I don't.
Yep.
Oh,
Keep
I
going.
do too.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, this is a pike, all right.
Stand there. Stand there. Keep going.
I still got him.
Keep going.
Oh.
Wait. Like just keep pressure on him. There you go. Look
Oh,
at that.
that's a nice pike. Oh, that's a nice pike.
Oh, and he broke off right there. Look at that, guys.
Oh, that's a big jack. Oh my goodness, that got to be one of the biggest jacks I've ever caught in my life.
Look at that, guys.
Oh!
Micah just caught a nice pike, probably 28, 29 inches.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that.
size of
That's what he
that
bid
thing.
on. No leader, nothing. He just ripped off because he got ripped out of the hole. Look at that. Put that on the tailgate.
We're gonna fish.
Let's just grab the bump board real quick. Let's see what he looks like.
I wonder how big he is.
That's pretty cool. Let's see what he is.
What I'm.
Let's see what he is for length. All right. What do we got here?
30. That's a big guy.
It's very skinny. 28.5 inches. But this lake, we don't want to have all the perch get eaten by pike. So guess what?
We are gonna eat this thing.
This guy's gonna get eaten. Here, grab him by the gill.
Oh,
Grab him,
oh,
grab-
they got
Grab him right there. Grab him like that.
Oh,
Grab him like that. Put your finger in there. No, just be careful. Get it in there good and proper. There you go.
oh,
You show the camera.
oh, look at that.
You gotta back up a little bit. I'm gonna grab my phone and we'll get some pictures.
That thing might be a musking.
No, it's not a muskie.
It almost looks like it. That's a beautiful fish.
Yeah.
That's a giant. 28. Oh my goodness.
Okay, Micah. Come here. Yes. My goal today was to get him one fish. Did you just get gill raked?
Yeah.
That's alright. Good way to learn.
Oh my
Give me
slime.
my hat.
Oh, slime. Oh. I'm having the best luck today. Better than Darren.
Oh, my fingers are cold.
Mine are too. I've had them off all day. I've got jacks, walleye. I mean,
It's not cold today, but it's just that wind and the cold water. And my terrible circulation.
I was looking away talking to you when I caught that thing.
They hit pretty hard, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, that thing didn't. I didn't feel anything though when he hit. Like I pulled it up and here's something. Here's something big.
Get him.
And then no, I'm just talking about the jack. If there was something big, I would snag him. I'll get him.
What do you figure?
A good day for me anyway.
It was. Sure was. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Micah had an awesome day. I, for some reason, did not get a single fish, which is pathetic.
And I got a big fish.
Yeah, look at this. If you guys can see in there or not,
He's a 20.
that is going to be a meal for probably his family
No,
at some point. No?
4 people.
4
5
people.
people.
This
not
guy
enough.
probably eat half that himself. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for now. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and gotta hit that thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
That's right. Don't forget to get outdoors. Have a good one. Let's go. Let's get into this video.